Jack wanted to show off how handsome he is today. He has his nice little button-up shirt on. All ready to go out with Mommy today. You can see Jack has started tracking and he can kind of follow us with his eyes. Over here, buddy. Over here. Yeah. Hi. Hi. What do you think? Mommy's teasing him with the rattle. What's that? What is that? Look how handsome my little man is today. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. You smile for Mama? I'm still trying to catch that smile. Hard to get on video.